Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We will
Waalaikumsalam.
presented both material is hortatory exposition. Before we go to the material, we will introduce ourselves. Wan Bagas Trikuncoro, Ciara Fardah, Fenty Diah, Fajrul Fildan, Nurinta, Safira, and Zidan Rafi. At hortatory exposition, we will discuss about definition, social function, structure, language feature, example, and the difference between hortatory and analytical exposition.
Okay, first is definition. Next. Definition of hortatory exposition is a hortatory exposition is a type of spoken or written text that is intended to explain the listeners or readers that something should or should not happen or be done. Sebuah teks eksposisi hortatory adalah jenis teks lisan atau tertulis yang dimaksudkan untuk menjelaskan kepada pendengar atau pembaca bahwa sesuatu harus atau tidak harus terjadi atau dilakukan. Next.
Social function of hortatory exposition. The social function of the hortatory exposition is to persuade the reader that something shall or shall not be the case. Yaitu social fungsi dari hortatory exposition adalah untuk mengajak pembaca atau pendengar untuk melakukan sesuatu atau tidak melakukan sesuatu. Next.
Next. No structure of hortatory exposition. First, thesis. The thesis is the first part of reading this type of text. Authors can express opinions or opinions that are relevant and based on fact about the issue or them to be written about. Jadi, tesis adalah bagian pertama dari menulis jenis teks ini. Para pengarang dapat menyatakan pendapat atau pendapat yang relevan berdasarkan fakta tentang masalah atau tema yang akan ditulis. Second, arguments. To strengthen the opinion of the author, other opinions or arguments are also need to prove that the author's opinion is in accordance with the facts. In this section of the writer can include recommendation, other people opinions, or truth source to support the opinion that we written earlier. Jadi, untuk bagian ini adalah untuk memperkuat pendapat si penulis. Pendapat atau argumen lainnya juga diperlukan untuk membuktikan bahwa pendapat si penulis selaras dengan fakta-fakta. Dalam bagian ini, penulis dapat mencakup rekomendasi, pendapat orang lain, atau sumber terpercaya untuk mendukung pendapat yang ditulis sebelumnya. And next, recommendation. If the analytical exposition has a conclusion, it is different from the hortatory exposition. The final section of the paper contains recommendation for its readers. Recommendation can contain suggestion of what to do or not to do based on the arguments or opinions given by the author. Jadi bagian ketiga dari struktur hortatory exposition ini adalah jika penjelasan analitis memiliki kesimpulan, hal itu berbeda dengan penjelasan hortatory. Bagian akhir tes ini berisi rekomendasi bagi para pembacanya. Saran tersebut dapat berisi tentang apa yang harus atau tidak boleh dilakukan berdasarkan argumen atau pendapat yang diberikan oleh sang penulis. Okay, next.
Next, language feature. First, using the simple present tense because this text presents an opinion that is not time different. Jadi yang pertama menggunakan simple present tense karena teks ini tidak menyajikan sebuah opini yang tidak ada referensi waktunya. Second is stating arguments so that there is conjunction such as first, second, next edition, and so on. Yang kedua yaitu menyatakan pendapat. Jadi ada beberapa konjungsi seperti pertama, kedua, selanjutnya, dan lain-lainnya. Third, some are related to verbs, modal verbs, thinking verbs, and action verb. Beberapa terkait dengan kata kerja modal, kata kerja pikiran, dan kata kerja aksi. Next. Fourth, using evaluative words such as important, valuable, and others. Yang keempat adalah menggunakan kata-kata evaluatif seperti penting, berharga, dan lainnya. Fifth, use the passive voice, menggunakan passive voice. Next.
Okay, I will continue the presentation. 5 example. Next. Why students should manage their stress? Stress among students can be caused by interpersonal, which includes a factor like relationship with family and friends, or because of the academic itself. Workload of college, difficult tests, and other academic obstacles might also lead to stress. Thus, stress among students can be dangerous for several reasons. Firstly, major negative effect of stress is on emotional health. Emotional health problem is more dangerous than physical problem because it can lead to most disastrous effects. Of all, that is committing suicide. Emotional or mental health is an expression of our emotion and signifies a vital adaptation to the range of demands in life. The stressful life events can lead to all the failure just by conquering our mind. Thus, it's very important to maintain our mental and emotional health because once our emotional health was disturbed, it can lead to various of disease such as depression, anxiety, emotional eating, anger, and so on. The second disastrous effect of stress to an individual, especially student, is on academic performance. Actually, this affects students beyond their thinking. Once they are in stress, they have difficulty to concentrate on their study, and finally their results will rain because they cannot do well in their exam. That is how their academic performance shows such negative improvement from day to day because they cannot manage their stress well. Therefore, stress can be dangerous to students' life. For this reason, it's better that we should find the cause of effects which we are going to know the bad effects that we may face and take action to manage it. Okay, so if we look at the structure, the paragraph 1 is a thesis, the paragraph 2 is a argument, and the paragraph 3 is a recommendation. Okay, next.
Next, the difference between hortatory and analytic expression. Next. 1. Analytic expression aims to make reader or listener aware of an issue, while hortatory expression aims to force reader or listener to agree with what is conveyed. Second, hortatory and analytic expression have almost the same structure, especially in the thesis and argument section, but there is one different part. Hortatory exposition closes with recommendation, while analytic exposition closes with conclusion or reiteration. Maksudnya, eksposisi analitis bertujuan untuk membuat membaca atau pendengar mengetahui suatu masalah, sedangkan eksposisi hortatory bertujuan untuk memaksa pembaca dan pendengar untuk setuju dengan apa yang disampaikan. 2. Eksposisi hortatory dan analitik memiliki struktur yang hampir sama, terutama pada bagian tesis dan argumen. Namun terdapat satu bagian yang berbeda, yaitu eksposisi hortatory ditutup dengan rekomendasi, sedangkan eksposisi analitik ditutup dengan kesimpulan atau pengulangan. Next.
So, we know that hortatory exposition is to recommend the listener or the reader to do or no. The reader or listener cannot give opinion about the text. So I think if enough. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.